Someone is doing sliding there. So you will see the very view in Gul. That's the Gul view. It's Gul. Gul. Yes. So this is how it looks here in this area. The Gul surrounded. Oh my. A lot of trees and a lot of without trees. Diba? Marag farm yata na sila. So sa ubos na ay balay-balay diha ha. That's a hotel and the field.
I
Ah?
squeezed berry on me.
Yes.
Berry.
Oh my. I can't imagine. It's a very, very big area here. Very much big, wide area with the mountains. That's why a lot of people are coming there. It's good to hiking here every day. Then I'm sure muniwang jud ka. Sige ra kag bakta sa aning mga bukid diri ah. Pero nindot mo ko ta siguro ang dili tugnaw. Okay. Murag tugnaw ang hangin. Makapanuhot. Yes. So, I don't know kung asang may padungan eh. Grabe naman kalayo ni. Napambay. So, kung sa kong lakaw, kapag si Mat, nakakakali.